Please pay attention to this important message. Stow all carry-on items in an overhead bin and place smaller items completely under the seat in front of you. Larger electronic devices must be placed in a bag. Handheld portable electronic devices, including mobile phones, should also be secured. Keep the aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas clear.
If you lose an electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for help. As we leave the gate, fasten your seatbelt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and adjusting the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release, lift the top of the buckle.
Stay seated with your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on, and keep it fastened whenever you're seated in case of sudden rough air. In the event of rough air, the crew might also need to buckle up for safety. We appreciate your understanding if our service is interrupted.
Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with all crew members' instructions, along with the posted placards and lighted information signs throughout the cabin.
Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. There are 8 exits on this plane, 4 doors, 2 on each side, and 4 window exits over the wings. The forward doors have detachable slides that can be used for flotation. Life rafts are located in ceiling compartments at the front and center of the plane. The rear 2 window exits have an escape strap attached inside the exit frame, which can be used to assist in a water evacuation onto the wing. In the event of an evacuation, leave all bags behind. Carrying baggage will slow the evacuation. All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. Locate the nearest exit and remember, they might be behind you. If we lose power, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will drop from panels above your seat and inside the lavatories. Reach up and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing. So don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. For children under 35 pounds, place the vest around their waist and secure the strap between the legs. See your safety card for more information. Additional life vests for in-lap children are in a marked compartment at the front of the plane. We'll distribute these vests if necessary.
Now, before we take off, bring your seat to its upright position and stow your tray table. Be sure you fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your lap. Secure your carry-on items and put your armrests at resting position. Finally, take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket.
As we finish our safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
As we get ready for takeoff, please settle in. And from all of our crew, thank you for flying with Delta.
Gentlemen, unfortunately we're having some issues with our IFE system, so we are going to have to go ahead and do a quick manual safety demonstration for those passengers who were unable to witness the video demonstration. Thank you.
We're offering fast, free Wi-Fi on today's flight. Switch your device to airplane mode and turn Wi-Fi on. Next, choose the deltawifi.com network. If the Wi-Fi sign-in page does not open, go to deltawifi.com using your browser. Sign in with your SkyMiles account, or sign up for SkyMiles for free. Once connected, you can explore curated experiences.
Before we depart, please direct your attention to the flight attendants for a demonstration of the safety features of our Boeing 737 aircraft. Your seatbelt must be securely fastened at this time. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle, tighten by pulling on the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. Federal regulations require all customers to comply with crew instructions, posted placards, and lighted information signs. Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes, or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. This aircraft has 2 forward doors, 1 on each side, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 doors in the back, 1 on each side. The forward doors have detachable slides that can be used for flotation. Escape ropes are attached to aft window exit frames for use in a water evacuation. Life rafts are located in ceiling compartments at the front and center of the plane. All exits are clearly marked with exit sign and instructions for operation. In an emergency, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please locate the exit nearest you and keep in mind they may be behind you. In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind. Carry-on baggage will slow the evacuation. It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels inside the lavatories and above your seat will open, revealing oxygen mask. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask toward you until the tube is fully extended. If you are wearing a mask or face covering, remove it before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Secure your own mask before helping others. If needed, life vests are located under or between your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container. By pulling on the tab and then open the pouch, pull the vest over your head, fasten the strap to the front of the vest, and pull on the strap to adjust the vest securely around your waist. After exiting the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tubes at shoulder level. A water activated light is attached to each vest. Refer to the safety information card for instructions on how to use the life vest for children who weigh less than 35 pounds. If necessary, we'll distribute life vests for in-life children. Before we take off, be sure seat backs are upright, tray tables and carry-on items are stowed, and aisle armrests are in the resting position. Then take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket. As we complete our final safety checks, let us know if you have any questions. We'll do everything we can to ensure you have a safe and relaxing flight.
Flight attendants, please protect cabin for departure. Will be done throughout the duration of the flight. If you need a green light, one is located above your seat next to your flight attendant call button. If you accidentally hit the flight attendant call button and you do not need us, please just go ahead and press it one more time and it will extinguish it.